Good day, kids! Today we are going to learn about a new topic which is verb. Are you ready? Let's go! Verb is a word used to describe an action. Examples are jumping, like what the first boy in the picture is doing, carry, because the girl is carrying a pot, and run, like what the last boy in the picture does. These words are all examples of verbs. Anna is dancing. The underlined word is a verb because it describes the action of Anna. Other examples are sing, walk, smile, eat, clap, stomp, and playing. Mickey Mouse is reading a book for his dog. What is Mickey Mouse doing? Mickey Mouse is reading. Therefore, the verb in the sentence is reading. Cinderella is running down the stairs. What is Cinderella doing? Cinderella is running. Therefore, the verb in the sentence is running. Aurora is sleeping. What is the verb in the sentence? The verb is sleeping because it is what Aurora is doing. Now, let's have a quiz. So, number 1, Belle is dancing with the beast. Which word in the sentence is a verb? Is it Belle? No. Is it the? Wrong. Try again. Is it dancing? Great job! Dancing is the verb in the sentence. Very good. Next, Dora is happily playing. Which is the verb in the sentence? Is it happily? Wrong. Let's try again. So, what is Dora doing? Dora is playing. Great job! Playing is the verb in the sentence. For 3 to 5 items, which of the following words are verbs? Sad? Wrong. Let's try again. Is smiling a verb? Great job! 2 more to go. How about jumping? Nice! 1 more. Is swimming a verb? Correct! You've done a great job. And that is all for today's lesson. Hope you have learned. Bye!